How to sell digital products on Shopify. First, open Shopify and in your admin page, click Apps and search for digital downloads. This will bring you to a new tab and be sure to download this one. Just click Add App. You will be redirected to this page and just click Install App in the upper portion. This might take a while, but after it is finished, just click Products in the left portion. Now, you can simply add your products. In this page, you can simply add details of your product, like its product name in the title, and add descriptions. Then, simply scroll down to add media or pictures of your product, add its price or the cost per item. Now, scroll down to find shipping, and under that is digital product or service, which you will select. Now, scroll up to see product status, like sales, channels, and apps, and change active to draft status. Now, just click Save. And now, you have successfully added your digital product. After that, I want you to click on Inventory and you can see here your product. Then click View Products. Here, you will be able to see your stock number and its status. Now, simply click on your product to edit its availability or how many you have in your stock. For example, I will put 1,000. After doing that, you can simply scroll up and in the right side of the screen, select Apps again and search for digital downloads. Now select Add digital files. Here, you can download or add files for your product and just click Save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.